Ubisoft. Telltale Games. So, servus. Da sind wir schon beim neuesten Projekt, und zwar bei CSI. Tödliche Verschwörung. So, Einstellungen müssten normal passen. Und deswegen werden wir sofort ein neuer Fall auswählen. Und zwar Episode 1 festgebacken. Wir spielen das blind. So, okay.
The place was called Superla Spa. It was a full-service establishment. Massage tables, salon chairs, mud baths, etc. The explosion went off a little after 3. The squad car was 2 blocks away when the place went up, so the fire department was able to respond within 4 minutes. Not that it helped. The place was fully engulfed by the time they arrived. They were just lucky to keep it contained to just this building.
I didn't know there was a spa down here.
Building's been here since the late 70s, but it's only been a spa since '98. The gentleman in the corner there is Pete Baja. His company owns the Superla Spa. I took his statement, but you'll want to follow up with him too. Have you two met yet?
Not officially. I'm Sarah Seidel. The team speaks very highly of you. You want to take that interview?
So, und da sind wir schon. Als Sarah oder wie auch immer. So, es handelt sich wieder um ein Point-and-Click-Game. Okay, was gibt's da? Was als nächstes?
I'd say we should talk to the guy who owns the spa.
Okay. Was haben wir da? Beweise, Schauplätze, Fallakte und das Optionsmenü. So, was haben wir denn da hinten? Da können wir irgendwas interagieren. Da können wir nochmal hinten.
One mud bath contains a lot more mud than the others. It might just be the way they do it. But the one next to it is filled only up to the line on the side of the tub. That mud is baked solid. We're going to need a way to examine it inside and out, without actually breaking it up and compromising potential evidence. You know, the other day, Catherine was telling me that we have access to an industrial ultrasound device. It sounds perfect for this problem. I'll give her a call.
Wie jetzt? Ultraschallgerät? Müssen wir rufen? Können wir das überhaupt?
The Evidence Viewer allows you to get a close look at every piece of evidence you've collected. It's important to look carefully at each piece of evidence you find, as it may contain evidence itself.
Okay, Beweise haben wir noch keine.
The case file contains a record of all important information discovered during your investigation. It also allows you to play back cinematic sequences and access the hint emails sent to you by your supervisor.
Ach so, gut. Was? Prämie freigeschaltet? Gut, das Schlammbad können wir anscheinend erst später untersuchen. Was gibt's denn da hinten? Okay. Da können wir jetzt irgendwie rumbasteln. Vielleicht mit dem Pinsel.
I don't think we're going to pull any prints off of that.
Ach so, Fingerabdrücke gibt's keine. Vielleicht können wir es fotografieren?
We should take samples of soot from all around this place to see if we can find traces of an accelerant.
Ach so, wir haben Rußabdrücke genommen. Gibt's da noch mehr? Nimmer. Das können wir alles dran. Okay, das hätten wir jetzt das. So, dann können wir da hinten, oder? Da ist das gleiche. Ach so, da ist der Typ, mit dem müssen wir noch reden. Das werden wir gleich mal machen.
Hi, Pedro Baja. Baja, like Baja California. But call me Pete. Everyone does. Well, almost everyone.
You in charge of this place, Pete?
I'm the CEO of Miel LLC. It's less impressive than it sounds. It's basically a holding company for a few mom-and-pop style businesses that were worth rescuing when the original owners wanted out. The company owns Super La Spa, what's left of it.
Okay, Pete.
We'll have to notify the claims adjuster when we've released the scene.
Actually, this is kind of embarrassing, but the policy on this place has lapsed.
You let the fire insurance on one of your businesses expire?
It's complicated. We sent them a payment, but they said they didn't get it. Then they wanted us to pay a late fee and raise our premium. I mean, we've done business with them for years, and now they decide to penalize us over a little slip-up?
You've just received a case file update. You can access the case file by using your PDA.
Gut, die Fallakte ist aktualisiert worden.
I have some things I need to take care of. Here's my card, at least until the next board meeting. You can reach me at my office.
Okay, schauen wir mal da rein. Verdächtigte haben wir einen, und zwar einen Pete Baja, oder wie er heißt.
The email section contains communication from your supervisor to help you solve the case. When the information in the email...
Ja, selbstverständlich. Beweise haben wir jetzt den Ruß aus der Nähe der Schlammbäder im Spa. Und Pete's Visitenkarten.
The location icons represent the different places you can visit. New locations will open over the course of your investigation.
Gut, Schauplätze haben wir. Das Wellness Center. Ein Friseurladen. Hauptlabor. Braus Büro. Leichenhalle. Und das Verhörzimmer. Okay, da werden wir noch einmal irgendwie hinschauen. Jetzt werden wir erst einmal da hinten schauen. Und da haben wir scheinbar ausgebrannte Küche. Da können wir auch noch mal aussehen. Da ist jetzt nichts, glaube ich. So, die Mikrowelle.
If this thing was on last night, we could have our ignition source. It's hard to tell what this was. Not much left of it. Judging from the charring in the inside of the oven, it was in there for long enough to catch fire. It's almost like a timed fuse. That could indicate arson, but we'll need a lot more evidence to prove it.
Yeah, we're living in the future. I'm still waiting for my flying car, but seeing through walls isn't too shabby.
I have a rough idea, but remind me again how the device works.
Just turn it on and point the wand at whatever you want to scan. The sound waves it emits penetrate at different speeds depending on the density of the material.
And the onboard computer translates that into a picture, is that right?
You got it. I don't think I need to tell you to be careful with it, but be careful with it.
Ach so, jetzt haben wir das Ultraschallgerät schon. Und jetzt sollen wir das untersuchen. Tja, was sollen wir denn dran sehen? Oh, das schaut aus. Wie ein Mensch.
Does that look like a human body to you? It looks like we have a victim after all. I'll call Doc Robbins for a pickup.
Cleaning her off is just the first step. This is going to take a while. I'll give you a call when I have something for you.
Let's head back to the crime scene. See what else we can turn up.
Okay, da haben wir die Leiche, die da in einem Schlammbad war. Und die schaut natürlich nicht mehr so frisch aus. Und ich glaube, wir können da jetzt gar nichts machen.
You'll have to forgive me. Baking the victim in mud and then exhuming her aren't exactly the ingredients for the most efficient autopsy. I'll give you a call when I have something for you.
Gut, ist genehmigt. Dann machen wir uns nochmal auf den Weg zum Tatort. Gut. Da drin ist nichts mehr. Wir wollten uns da hinten nochmal umschauen. Das haben wir gesichert. Gibt es denn noch mehr? Zumindest nicht da hinten. So, können wir denn da wieder so Abdrücke machen vom Ruß?
I think if we can get one more sample of soot after this one, we'll have enough.
Okay. Und dann, da die Song, gehen wir noch da hinten. Und zwar können wir da die dritte Rußprobe nehmen.
We've gathered soot from all over this place. Should be enough.
Okay. Was haben wir denn da noch Schönes? Das können wir an untersuchen, vielleicht auch Fingerabdrücke.
I don't think we're going to pull any prints off of that.
Ach so. Hätte ja sein können. Vielleicht auf Flüssigkeiten.
What makes you think there would be latent fluids there?
Ja, hätte ja sein können. Vielleicht sollte man das... Können wir es fotografieren? Oder Proben nehmen?
We can't just pick that up. We can't just pick that up.
Ah ne, vielleicht... Abdrücke.
Look at the crimping along the edges of the split gas line. I'd say it was cut. So far, that's two things that point to arson. We'll need more evidence to be sure.
Was noch mehr Beweise? Gibt es denn noch mehr Beweise? Gut, sie möchten mehr Beweise auf Brandstiftung. Da haben wir es gesehen, da hinten auch. Und da haben wir noch irgendwas. Vielleicht können wir da wieder Abdrücke nehmen.
Look at how it's burned away from its frame. Drywall is usually fire resistant. Those holes could be there to let more air fan the fire and get to that wooden frame underneath. That's the third sign of possible arson we've found. I'm almost convinced.
Was, sie ist fast überzeugt. Haben wir denn noch was übersehen? Da hinten war gerade der Ruß.